Hello dear student, today we will talk about our exercise 14b. In previous classes we have talked about how to measure a line segment and how to draw a given line segment and how to draw a line segment and how to measure a line segment. Okay, now we will talk about our exercise 14b, that is based on how to draw a given line segment and how to measure a line segment. So our first question is measure the length of line segment in the following. So that is exercise 14b of chapter 14, basic geometrical concept. So the first question is measure the length of the line segment in the following. Okay, so you have to measure. Here you see that NAB, you have to write the length of AB, and here you see that AQ, you have to measure the length of AQ, and here you see that this is a two line AQ, AB and PQ. So you have to measure the length of AB and write you have to the length and the length of PQ, and here you see that AB, so you have to measure the length of AB. Okay, so now that is your of exercise 14b. That is the question of exercise 14b. So we will solve the first question here, AB. Okay, so you all know that when we have to measure the given line segment, we just point its from 0, we start from 0. So first the first point, its initial point, we put to 0, and we have to measure its second end, that is its end point. So we have to measure through this process like that. So here we at point A we put it at 0. So here you see that our at B it shows that at 5 centimeter. Okay, at so that 5 centimeter. So length of AB will be 5 centimeter. Length of AB will be 5 centimeter. Okay, so how to measure the given line segment? So you will at its initial point you have to make it 0. Okay, put at A is equal to 0 and measure where it end. So it end at B. So here you see that it is 5. Okay, from 0 up to 5 we get at 5. So here the length of AB is 5 centimeter. Now your second question, that is B, AQ. AQ. So we have to measure a length of AQ. So here we start. So here we see that it's 7. It's 7 centimeter. Okay. So length of PQ will be 7 centimeter. Okay. So the length of PQ will be 7 centimeter. Now here length of AQ. Here it is AQ. Okay. Here it is AQ. Now length of AQ so here it's a point P. Okay, in question your book in your book it is given P, so make it here P. Okay, so PQ, length of PQ. So we have measured. PQ is 7. Now length of AB. Here are two lines. Okay, that are intersecting each other. So we have to first measure length of AB. Okay, so with the help of scale, you at point A you just make it 0, and at so here you see that AB is 4. B is marking that up to 4, so it will be 4 centimeter. Okay, AB will be 4 centimeter. Now comes to PQ. So here you see that it is 5 centimeter. Okay, so length of PQ will be 5 centimeter. How we have to measure the PQ? So its initial point, make it 0, just put it 0 on its P, and at Q you are noticing that it Q indicate up to point up to 5. So our length of PQ will be 5 centimeter. Okay, length PQ will be 5 centimeter. Now our last question, that is DAB. You have to measure the length AB. So here you see that at A you make it 0, and here you see that it's end up to 8. It's end up to 8. Here again see that here is a 0, and B comes to end at 8. Okay, so length of AB will be 8 centimeter. Length of AB will be 8 centimeter. In the first question, it was to measure the line segment. So in this all question, we have tried to measure the given figure, given line segment. So in first, when we measure the line segment AB, so we get the length of AB is equal to 5 centimeter. When we have measured the length PQ, so we get PQ length is 7 centimeter. And in question C, when we measure length of AB, we get 4, and when we have measured the length of PQ, we get 5 centimeter, and when we measure the our question D, that is the AB, so we get length 8 centimeter. We get length 8 centimeter. So this was all about the question first of exercise 14B. I hope you easily understand it. I hope you easily understand it. Question first. Now move to question second. Now we will move to our second question. Draw the line of given length. Okay, draw the line of given length. Draw the line of given length. So first is we have to draw 7 centimeter. Second B we have to draw 11 centimeter. C we have to draw 9 centimeter, and D you have to draw 13 centimeter. So let's, with the help of this ruler, we try to draw our first line segment, that is of 7 centimeter. Okay, so for that take we have to start from 0. Okay, so here you mark a point A, that is of 0, and you have to up to 7. You just make your ruler straight, so it will be straight. When you draw the line through this point, you will get a straight line segment. Okay, so 7. So it is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here is the 7. And you see that. So here you just point B. So here you see that we get the 2 points. Here point A and point B. Point A is at 0 and point B up to 7. So when we get these 2 points, we will draw a single line through these 2 points. So here we have drawn the line segment of length 7. Okay, you just draw one time line. So this is the line segment of length 7 centimeter. Okay, so this is the line segment of length 7 centimeter. Okay, now come to 11 B, 11 centimeter. So this was the line we have drawn of 7 centimeter. Now our second question is 11 centimeter. So you have to just draw, you put at 0 A, and here you see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and you have to draw 11, 8, 9, 10, 11. So at first point will be your A, that will indicate 0, and here your point B will be at 11. So from these 2 points at 0 and up to the point B, that is ends up to 11. So when you get these 2 points, you just draw a line. So you will get the line segment or line of 11 centimeter length. Okay, of 11 centimeter length. So that we have to draw 11. So here we draw a point A. So that is our starting. So that is A, and we have to draw 11 centimeter. Okay. So here you see that 11. So that will be the point B. So we get these 2 points. We will draw a line through these 2 points. So here we get a line that is of length 11. Okay, that is the length of length 11 centimeter. This is the length of length 7 centimeter. So here we have drawn a line segment A that is 7 centimeter, and here line of length 11 centimeter. Here AD that is 11 centimeter. Now move to C. Now move to C, 9 centimeter. Same, we have to start from 0 and ends up to 9. If we get these 2 points, we have to just draw a single line. So that line will represent 9 centimeter. That line will represent 9 centimeter. Okay. So we have to, here is the, suppose it is a point P. Here we take another point P, and here we have to draw 9 centimeter. So point B will be representing is 9 centimeter. Okay, so that is 9. Okay, so here you see that we get these 2 points. So here point by joining these 2 points, we get our line segment, our required line that is of length 9 centimeter. So this is the line of length 9 centimeter, of length 9 centimeter. In this we have a solved A, B, C. Okay, A, B, C. So here AB of length 7 centimeter, here B of length 11 centimeter, here C of length 9 centimeter, here C of length 9 centimeter. Now move to our question D, that is of 13 centimeter. 13 centimeter. Now same as previous, we have to start from 0. That mark 0. Let's take that point is R, and up to 13. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So you have to, at 13, you have to just make a point. You name that point is yes. Okay. So we get these 2 points. We get these 2 points. So here we will draw these 2. So we will get the required line. Okay, we will get our required line. So that is RS, and whose length is 13 centimeter. Whose length is 13 centimeter. So this was all about 13 centimeter. How to draw a line of length 13 centimeter, of length 13 centimeter. So you have to start from 0, and you have to see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You see that these and this, if that is a point R, let's suppose this is its initial point, that is its R, and here at 13 that is S. That is S. So when we join these 2 points, when we join these 2 R and S point, we get when we will draw a line through these 2 points, so we get the line 13 centimeter, the length having 13 centimeter. So this was all about your question 2, draw the line of given length. So in this question 2, you have to draw a line segment of length 7 centimeter, 11 centimeter, 9 centimeter and 13 centimeter. So in this we have drawn the line segment having length 7 centimeter. This AB is representing 11 centimeter, and this here we have drawn a line PB that is 9 centimeter, and here the last one of 13 centimeters. So here RS is the line which have then 13 centimeter. I hope you easily understand these two questions of exercise 14b. So that was question first of how to measure the line segment, and the question second is to draw the given length. Okay, to draw the line of given length. I hope you easily understand it. Thank you.